Time for magical unboxing. No, I didn't break it because it's a magical box from Magix Buttons. Let's go. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. In today's video we are going to talk about the Perfect Pachinko LCD game for the young adult. This one has been sent in by Magix Buttons just to check out here on the channel. Yes, and no, I'm not going to keep it. I just asked them to send some stuff to review because they have a lot of great stuff. Alright, so this Pachinko LCD game, I've never seen it, I've never played it, and I was very curious. It has been released by Bandai. And it comes in a really fancy box, by the way. So it looks really nice. Of course, the box is a little bit bust up, but yeah, what can you expect for the age? Alright, so let's see. It weighs quite heavy, by the way. So let's take a close look. This is the battery compartment. It even needs 3 of these very flat batteries. It's just crazy. Alright, so we can just even adjust the contrast. Alright, let's power it on. Okay, something is happening. Let's see if I can adjust the contrast. Alright, that works. It's only flickering a little bit. Alright, let's see if something works. Ik moet je vertellen dat ik het nou wel een beetje beu begin te raken, want die LCD games, ik krijg hier een beetje het scheid van, dus ik elke keer zo'n ding uit elkaar moet halen. Alright, so let's give it a try, let's give it a try. To be honest, I never played on a pachinko machine. And I really need to do, because I have really no clue what he is doing. Oh, okay. So here drops the ball. Okay, the idea behind this is pretty cool. And it works even just fine. Still got the balls I have left over here. Oh, we can throw multiple balls. Oh, that is really cool. Ooh. Oh, the effect is really cool. Got some extra balls. Okay, this is really cool. The Perfect Pachinko machine. Yeah. For back in the day, LCD game, this is really not bad at all. It even has this adjustable contrast, very unique. Alright, so for the final conclusion about this Perfect Pachinko LCD game, I think it's a really funny game. Yeah, I think even people are just buying this for collecting. Please let me know. And if you're interested in a product like this, the LCD games, don't forget to check out the Magix Buttons website. I'll leave a link in the description. They have a lot of these awesome products. So that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.